Friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So this is our 346 tutorial. So you can learn from other tutorials also. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and here we will select the XY plane. This will be the front view. You can see here the front view. We are going to construct a sketch first. So we will start from the circle. We have taken the circle command, place the circle on this, and here we are going to make a circle of diameter 12.5. Okay. Now here we are going to construct a slot profile from rectangle. We are going to take center to center slot. Make the slot profile here. Go to dimension. The radius of this slot, this will be 13.5. Okay. The center to center distance here will be of 40 mm. Escape. Now here I will drag this. Okay, now you can see it is having a free movement. So go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. So this will be horizontally aligned. Now go to dimension, select the center point and select the starting point. Okay, so this distance will be 45 mm. Okay, now we are going to construct the other profiles. From here we will take the arc command, or we will take here the center point arc. Select this as the center point and this will be the starting point and this will be the end point. Okay, the straight point. Go to dimension. The radius of this arc here will be of 25 mm. Okay, now here take the line command. Make one line here, the straight line, and one taper line and one line like this and escape. Okay, now go to line, select the center point and here we are going to make first the vertical center line. Escape. Go to line command once again, select the center point and here select the center point and escape. Now here I'll select both these lines, make them construction. Okay, go to dimension. Here we will define the angle. Angle will be of 15 degree. Okay, now here go to the parallel constraint, select this angle line and select this. So this will be parallel to this. Okay, now go to perpendicular constraint, select this line and select this line. Okay, now you can see these are the important relations which you have to consider. Okay, now go to dimension, select this line and here right click and click on aligned. The distance of this will be 45 mm. Okay, and here the height we will define. For height we are going to select this center line. Go to dimension, select this line, right click, click on aligned and this will be a distance of 48 mm. Okay, now go to arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point and select this end point. Okay, go to dimension, define this radius here as 100 mm. Okay, go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this arc, they are already tangent, select this and select this. Okay, now this is also constraint. Escape. Now here we will take the fillet command and here I'll give a fillet of radius 25 mm. Select this edge and this edge. So this corner will get a fillet of 25 mm. Now exit. Now finish sketch and here go to extrude. Select this inner profile. Here we will take symmetric and the distance here will be of 40 mm. So this will be a 40 mm extrude both sides and okay. Okay. Now go to 2D sketch, go to origin and we'll select again the XY plane. Now this time, okay, We are going to go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe, go to sketch, take the line command, and here we are going to make a straight line. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select this line, so this will be straight. Go to dimension, the distance of line from center of the slot, this center will be 25 mm. Okay, escape. Now here take the arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point, select this end point, and place one arc. Similarly, select here, and here we will select this and place another arc. Go to line command and make a joining line profile. Escape. So here you can see a closed profile has been constructed. Finish sketch. Go to extrude. Here we will take symmetric, and the extrude will be of 15 mm. This will be a cut profile, and press OK. Go to view, visual style, go to shaded with edges. So cut profile has been constructed here. Okay, go to part 3. Here now we are going to construct this top profile. Go to part 1. Again we will select the XY plane, go to create sketch. We are making all the profiles from the center plane. Take the line command. From this end point, make one line. Okay, one line like this and one line like this, and here a closing profile. Go to dimension, select this line, right click, click on aligned. Here the distance of this will be 35 mm. Okay, and here click on right click, aligned, and this distance here will be of 40 mm. And here take the arc command, take here 3-point arc, select this point, and this will be the arc profile. Go to circle, select the center point, make here a circle of diameter 16 and escape. Select the center line, make it construction, finish sketch, go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, take here symmetric extrude, and here the distance will be 20 mm. This will be a joining profile, and press OK. Okay, go to fillet. We will take here a fillet of 2 mm. Select this, this. Okay, rotate, select this profile, select this corner, select complete. Similarly, select this and select this. Okay, now press OK. So all faces are being selected. You can select this face as well. Go to fillet once again. Click here also. So this will be a proper matching. Press OK. Okay. Now you can define the appearance. From here you can take the orange color I have taken. So I'll click O. Okay. So here you can see the orange color. You can take any color as you wish. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.